Look at this one. Looks like a turkey, but it's all brown. Look at that. Brown and white. My goodness, all kinds of little ones under there. Whoa, look at that big turkey. Look at that. Strutting his stuff there. Look at that. Feathers all out. Look at him move. Whew, gonna show off. Go for a walk. Look at that. Oh, we got the little ones here walking around. There you go. Whole bunch of little ones. Ooh, a pheasant underneath there. I don't think you can see that very good, but wow, look at that turkey. Yes, Mr. Turkey there. Yeah. Walking around, huh? Look at the beauty of that. Very different. There you go. Want to come see a whole bunch of birds. They got them all in the same area. You got your turkeys and got your peacocks and you got your... Oh, somebody's really hollering. That's a peacock. Scared some little ones, I think. Yes, Mr. Turkey. Going for a walk there. Yeah. All right.